If you wish to cancel your Hotels.com subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Hotels.com website and log into your account using your email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage under your profile icon. Step 3. Find subscription details. In account settings, look for a section labeled Subscriptions or Membership. Click on this to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Initiate cancellation. Within the subscription details, there should be an option to cancel your subscription. Click on this option and follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After completing the cancellation process, check your email for a confirmation message from Hotels.com. This will ensure that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Thank you for following these steps. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Hotels.com customer support.